Thank you. Well, if you're a pet owner, this can be a challenge. We're talking about trimming your pet's nails. Well, there's definitely a right way and a wrong way to do it. We're about to show you the proper way to trim your pet's nails so that it's safe for them and easy on you. Given the choice of going to get my teeth cleaned at the dentist or clipping my dog's nails, I'm going to the dentist. Dr. James Speiser, though, is here to sort of ease our fears. I did it one time with my lab years ago. Hit the quick. It was emotional for all of us. So we want to avoid that. First of all, let's talk about why this is something we need to do. It's more than just kind of an aesthetic thing to make our dogs look nice.
Well, yeah, it is. First, let's talk about degrees of nail being too long.
Hi, Rosie.
You know, when they're a little bit too long, let's talk dogs first. When a dog is walking on a hard surface, it pushes the nail up, and it would be kind of like you pulling up on into your fingernail. You do that all day,
painful.
It's going to be pretty sore.
Okay.
If they get longer than that, then they can catch it on the pile of the carpeting or on clothing, couch, and so forth, actually rip the nail off. And beyond that, then the nail can actually grow all the way around and back up into the bottom of the foot.
Okay.
And if they're sore, clearly their gait's going to change, and then that can cause them to be sore in their back or other joints and so forth.
Okay, so if you're going to cut the nail, let's bring up a picture here that shows you exactly the spot that you want to look for and the spot you want to avoid when clipping nails. And this is the same. Exactly. Is it the same for a cat or for a dog? The quick about the same?
Yeah, pretty much. The nail is curved, and on the graphic you can see the quick there. That's where the blood vessels and nerves come into the nail, and you don't want to get up into that, which, as you just described, it will cause quite a bloodbath.
They'll let you know.
That's right. They don't like it, and it'll also cause quite a little bit of bleeding, and you'll need to use a cautery agent to get that stopped.
That's why I let you, the professional, do it. But if you're doing it at home, show us how you go about it.
Okay.
With Rosie here. You're always a good girl.
Well, first off, you know, you want to get them so that they're willing to hold still.
You put and then you just simply gentle headlock there.
Yeah, there's different types of trimmers. This is a guillotine type trimmer.
Okay.
And then we also have.
Why do they call it a guillotine? I mean, I know why they call it, but that's terrible.
Because the blade goes up.
Will you come up with a new name for that, please?
There we go.
Call it the Speiser.
We just put it right on there, and you can see actually the quick on hers, because her nails aren't pigmented.
Okay.
But many dogs' nails are pigmented, and then it's hard to see the quick. So what you want to do is just nip the ends off and gradually go up until.
So usually it's a little bit lighter at the end.
Yeah.
Right.
Exactly.
Rosie's a good patient.
Now let's look at a cat.
Okay, come here, Sally. And who's our?
Sally here is.
This tabby is as big as the dog.
This is Peter. Yeah.
What's up, dude?
He's a good kitty too.
Dogs and cats living on the same segment here.
With cats, their nails, they can pull their nails back up into a little pouch here in their foot.
Yeah,
he's going to
fight you a little bit, isn't he?
No.
No, all right.
No. So you got to extrude their nail like such, and then you can just take and whoops. As you can see, no cat or dog likes to have their nails trimmed. And then you just nip off the ends just like that.
What are these? What do I need to know about this?
This is a quick stop, which is a cautery agent, as is silver nitrate sticks.
You need that.
If you get too far and you get a bloodbath, then you're going to need to use this. Now, the home remedy for that would be like a little bit of flour or cornstarch, push up on the end of the nail, hold it there for a minute or two with a gauze or Kleenex, and the bleeding will stop. But as you've demonstrated it.
Yeah. Everybody got that? Any tips? Ange, come on over. We're going to have you try it on Peter and clip the nails for the kitty. Oh, okay. You want to take it for Jim's toes? All right, here you go. Hey, if you would like more tips, you can check in with the IndyVet Emergency and Specialty Hospital. We've got a link for you at fox59.com. This is called the guillotine. Here's the guillotine.
Come here, Ange. You're gonna
do.
No?
Here. I don't want to get a blood. I'm afraid I'll get a bloodbath though.
I'd rather
Here. Are you nervous?
My toenail wouldn't fit in there.
Why not?
Jim, let's
So you
move
get an
over
angle
here.
of it. No, I do not want
We
you
want
to
no
clip
part of
it.
this.
I'm afraid that there's going to be a
Come
bloodbath.
here, Rosie.
This is dangerous.
Go take the pinky.